everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how to automatically move card. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser, type trello.com in the search bar, and then after crashing on your Trello's workspace, you have to open up your boards. After opening your boards, you have to tab on tech channel and just simply press on the edit sign. It will give you some options. Now you have to tab on change icon or change cover, then press how to make Instagram account, tab on the edit sign, and then tab on edit label. You have to edit the label, and again come on text channel, press on edit dates and edit dates according to yourself, and then tab on save. And after saving it, you have to move forward, and in terms to move forwards, you have to tap on the three dots in the right of your screen, and after pressing on three dots, you have to select rules, and after tapping on rules, you'll see this interface. Now you have to do some minor changes. Just tap on change it by me to anyone, and then give name to your list as done, and now tap on save, and you have saved it. That's how it's done. I hope you liked the video, and thank you so much for watching it.